The Acteon vision and mission rely upon us constantly evolving, challenging, solving and innovating. So we're embarking on a course of action to empower our people to transform the way we work for the benefit and success of all. The Yellow Belt Accreditation is an introduction to the Lean toolkit and how to apply it to your day-to-day life. It's a way of working together to pursue excellence, from simple improvements to complex innovations, to reduce waste and use our time and resources more effectively. Whether you work in the workshop, the office or offshore, every one of us can make a difference. That's because Lean training gives you the tools for real-world problem-solving and critical thinking. It teaches you how to apply methods to your working environment and processes to enable you to boost quality, efficiency and productivity and develop you as an individual. We'll do this collaboratively, sharing best practice, celebrating successes and improvements. Because when we work together as one, it benefits everyone. Join us as we train to transform.